One school gets $1 million atrium, while in another, the peeling paint on the walls are so obvious. But a good public school education is a right. In schools everywhere, Black and brown children are sent to special education or put on medication or even suspended rather than refining teaching strategies, even though good public education is a right. While some schools give an iPad to every single student, other schools, their books are outdated and falling apart. But there are groups of students and their families, community organizations that are fighting to fix these inequities. So find one, join them, because good education is a right.